Barnaby's Supply Chain Adventure. Get ready for an adventure with Lily and her teddy Barnaby. A torn arm, a special thread, and a journey across farms, factories, and stores will teach us how supply chain leaders make sure everything we need gets to the right place. Let's start this fun supply chain adventure. The journey of the special thread. Lily and her best friend, a fluffy bear named Barnaby, were inseparable. They played, read, and adventured together every single day. One sunny afternoon, during a particularly daring adventure in the backyard, Barnaby's arm ripped. Oh no, cotton stuffing started to peek out. "Don't worry, sweet pea," said Lily's mom, who had a very important job. "We can fix him, but we'll need a very special, super strong thread to make him better than ever. This thread," her mom explained, "comes from a sheep farm, way across the big blue ocean. My job is like being a captain of a team that brings things from far away to where they need to be. First, a farmer shears the fluffy wool from the sheep. Then, the wool travels on a big truck to a busy factory where it's spun into our special thread. After the thread is made, it's carefully packaged and put onto a huge ship that sails all the way across the ocean. When the ship arrives, the thread is taken by another truck to a store so we can buy it and fix our dear Barnaby." So Lily and her mom went to the craft store and found the exact super strong thread they needed. It had traveled so far to help them. Back at home, Lily's mom carefully stitched up Barnaby's arm. The new thread was so strong, it looked like he had a cool new stripe. Lily hugged her mom tightly. "Your job is amazing. You're a hero for bringing things to people who need them." And she was right. Supply chain leaders like Lily's mom make sure we have everything we need, from special thread to our favorite foods.